Good evening. It is Sunday, the 19th. I'm in the kitchen cooking for me and my friends at dialysis. I might be having enough food so my friend wouldn't have to cook. When you're on dialysis, you get home, you just be drained because they take all your blood and they refilter it and go in the machine out, and it makes you tired. With me, I don't get tired until the next day. So I sleep in until 12 or 1 o'clock. And then on the days that I do go to dialysis, I make it where I have to, see the doctors and stuff. Um, Today I am cooking stuffed chicken with bacon and vegetables and some beans over there. I haven't started yet. I'm just getting started. In the zinc right here, I have the chicken. I'm sorry, chicken is right here. And down here in the zinc is you see pork chops. I am from Louisiana, so we don't measure food. We go by the eyesight and the feeling of the feeling of your hands, and that makes the food much better because you're showing love to people. All right, when I get almost done, I'll let you guys see. All right, later. So comment, share, like, and subscribe. Thank you.